Hey y'all, what's up? This is your girl E checking in, and today's video, you guys, it is just a little short. Okay, you guys, I am going to bake some chicken wings, so stay tuned, you guys. First, before I let you guys go, I'm gonna show you guys what your girl used. You know, you guys already know the drill, right? So of course I'm gonna wash the chicken with vinegar, salt, and lime. Okay, then I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I'm gonna be using. Stay tuned. All right, you guys, here's the seasoning your girl gonna be using. As you can see, your girl have some garlic powder, some extra virgin olive oil, cayenne pepper, the barilla honey, and I am gonna be making some rice for the kids and stuff. And so I have the sweet pea here as well. I have the sazon and the adobo seasoning as well, the Haitian season. Okay, so yeah, the container was empty, so your girl made a big batch. Mama made it. Okay, so yes ma'am, so that's what I'm gonna be using. Alright, you guys, here's the finished product, you guys. Looking super delicious, nice and golden. And the gravy that you see, that is perfect on it, because I am gonna pair this with some rice, like I said, for the kids and stuff. It tastes so good, you guys. Don't forget to always put God first, you guys. I am out of here. I'm going to bed. And I love you guys so much. Until next time, ski babes. Bye. Love y'all. Just in case you guys was wondering, this is the rice and peas. Looking so good, y'all. Look at this. So good.